Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile. Now the first thing you have to do is open your Facebook. Now from here tap on this icon and then tap on this settings icon, then tap on this search icon and then search for lock, and here you can see profile locking option. Then just tap here, then tap on lock profile and it's done. Here you can see your profile has been locked successfully. Then just tap on OK and it's done. Also there is a second method that you can use to lock or unlock your profile. Then just tap on this profile icon, then tap on three dots, and here you can see unlock profile option. You can also lock or unlock your Facebook profile from here. Then just tap on unlock profile, then tap on unlock, then tap on unlock your profile and it's unlocked successfully. Then tap on OK. And that is how you can lock Facebook profile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.